Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is your boy Ro. We're getting out the house. Welcome back to the channel. So we are in another season of thanks and giving thanks and all about that, and getting our turkey done, eating and everything. So this year we are going to attempt to do the Vlogmas for the next 24 to 25 days. Hope you guys gonna follow me on the journey as I make my way into Christmas season and the holiday seasoning. All right, guys, here we go. Let's go. As you can see behind me, so I'm gonna go out here and clean the beast off, which is my truck. As you can see, it is nice and snowy out here. Right, here's the beast. I guess I'm gonna have to get up my snow, my inflatables from Christmas. Alright guys, hold on. Oh yeah, that's about a good 4 inches there. Uh-oh. As you can see, it's a lot of heavy snow on everything out front, so I wanted to actually get the snow off the bushes, because all that weight will break them. So hopefully they're going to be okay. I did shake all the snow, like I said, off the bushes, off of some of the Christmas inflatable. Yeah, so if you guys get that heavy snow, man, go get them off your shrubs and all that stuff you value for your summer curb appearance, because that heavy snow, when it's this wet, man, it will break them leaves, those branches. You see what they can do to trees. All right. Highways is not as bad as I thought they would be. Alright guys, I'm in the video for a minute till I get to where I'm going, and I'll pick you guys back up. Alright. About to go into Sam's, price me some tires. Guess it's time for it.
Is there nobody back there? Oh.
soup. It's
Creamy
fresh
chicken with
made
wild
with
rice soup?
crackers. It's good.
Okay, smelling good. Y'all know how we do it in Walmart. We gotta try the samples. All right, y'all, let's give this a try and see what we think. Right? Try to sit y'all down somewhere while I do this. Chicken and wild rice soup, man, that's not bad. Not bad, guys. I really like when you can find a soup that's not salty. This, you can actually add salt to it. Usually when it's just right on salt, I say it's on the fence. But I don't even think this is on the fence. You can really add, or it'll be great for someone with high blood pressure because the sodium level is a little bit under my expectations. I haven't picked y'all back up, but for a frozen soup, that was actually pretty good. See, I cleaned it up. Coca-Cola product. Them sausage scrambled eggs. All right, next we're gonna try here at Walmart. It's the turkey and sausage scrambled eggs. Let's stop and get that a try. You guys can see this here. Not bad. Definitely get a mouthful. I mean, turkey sausage scrambled eggs is very flavorful, cheesy. And it does have bacon in it. And then it's like $10.99 a box for that. So camping on the go, need something quick for the kids in the morning. Not a bad deal. All right, let's keep it moving.